Toncoin (TON) is a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain developed in 2018 by encrypted messaging platform Telegram. This project was then abandoned and taken over by the TON Foundation, then changed its name from Telegram Open Network to the Open Network. Since 2020, technology has thrived thanks to a non-commercial support group and independent fan community calling themselves the TON Foundation. Toncoin, formerly known as Gram, is the native cryptocurrency of the TON network. The original idea was to integrate TON into an easy-to-use application that would allow users to buy, send or deposit funds. Clients pay transaction fees and complete payments or validate transactions using TON. Toncoin uses a proprietary consensus, proof-of-stake (POS) model for network scalability and reliability. According to the project's website, the platform provides fast, transparent and secure payment services to its customers, as well as facilitating transactions with minimal fees and third-party applications. TON stands out for its fast transaction per second (TPS) processing or validation.
As of September 2021, the network processed the then world record of 55 kTPS during the contest, although current TPS can be in the hundreds of thousands or even millions. This feature allows projects to grow rapidly while avoiding performance losses. At the same time, the project does not harm the environment. Initially, the blockchain platform was created by brothers Nikolai and Pavel Durov, and developed by the Telegram team. Telegram plans to launch a token on-chain called Gram and build a platform for decentralized applications, DApps. Gram got a lot of attention and started causing trouble. Its development is prohibited by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Grams are considered securities, and the SEC prohibits the release of Gram tokens. The Telegram team brings TON to a near-complete product state. However, in 2020, the CEO of Telegram, Pavel Durov, left the project and its development was left to independent crypto enthusiasts. From the very beginning, this project was created as open source code so that anyone can continue development. The network is currently launched and developed by Anatoly Makasev and Kirill Emelianenko, members of a community called Newton TON Foundation. TON has a multi-level structure built on the principle of sharding or segmentation, blockchain within blockchain. The sharding feature involves using multiple subnets, shards, on the same blockchain, where each shard has a specific purpose.